While I was initially very excited to tour Westminster Abbey, in all honesty, the place really creeped me out. On the surface, I love the Gothic architecture, and the interior of the Abbey is beyond beautiful. Nonetheless, I could not wait to leave. So while they may say that the Tower of London is the most haunted place in London, I felt much more comfortable there than at Westminster Abbey. My eldest daughter, who's kind of a history buff, surmised that in a past life I was on the wrong side of the War of the Roses. In any event, while some structural portions of the Abbey date back to the mid to late 900s, it was rebuilt utilizing Gothic-style architecture during the mid-13th century. The addition of Henry VII's Lady Chapel was completed in 1516. The Abbey serves as the final resting place for well over 3,000 people. And since 1066, 40 monarchs have used the Abbey for their coronation ceremonies. While I recommend visiting, for one reason or another, it wasn't my cup of tea. Cheers!